In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert YouTube video in Canva. To get started, open your design in Canva. This can be any project you're currently working on, whether it's a presentation, a lesson, a social media design, or another type of visual layout. Make sure you're inside the design editor so you can add and arrange content directly on the canvas. Once your design is open, look over to the left sidebar and find the Apps section. Click on Apps to open Canva's app library. This is where Canva lets you connect extra tools and features to your design, including options that help you bring in outside content like videos. At the top of the Apps panel, you'll see a search field. Click into that search bar and type YouTube embed. When the app appears in the results, select it. In some cases, Canva may show an open button. So if you see that, go ahead and click Open to launch the app. This will bring up the YouTube embed tool inside Canva, so you can search for a video without leaving your project. Now that the YouTube embed app is open, use the search field at the top of that panel to look for the video you want to embed. Type in the title or keywords related to the video you need, and Canva will display matching YouTube results. It helps to be specific with your search so you can quickly find the exact video you want to insert into your design. When you see the correct YouTube video, click on it. As soon as you do, Canva will add that video directly onto your canvas. This saves time because you don't need to manually copy and paste anything into a separate element. The video will appear as an embedded object that you can work with right inside your design. After the video has been inserted, resize and reposition it as needed. You can click and drag the corners to make it larger or smaller, and then move it into the best spot in your layout. Try to place it in a way that fits neatly with your other design elements so everything looks balanced and easy to view. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a YouTube video into Canva. Once it's in place, you can continue editing the rest of your design and make sure the video fits naturally with your overall presentation.